Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm really excited to share a new Badanamu product with you, the Bada Pen Set. In this unboxing video, we're going to show you what is included in the set. You'll receive one Bada pen and one game board pack, along with 2 interactive board books. Let's begin with the most exciting part of this set, the Bada Pen. The Bada Pen is compatible with iOS, Android, OS X, Windows, and Apple TV, so you have a variety of options and ways in which to use it. Here, we have the Bada Pen. You'll receive the pen in a compact, easy-to-open box. Inside, you'll find your Bada Pen along with the USB charger underneath. On one side of the pen, you have the power button and the volume controls. On the other side, you have the USB port. Here's where you'll plug in the USB cable to charge your pen. On the back, there are 2 fun features I want to show you. We have the play mode and we have the read mode. What's really exciting about the Bada Pen is that we now have a built-in speaker that allows the pen to interact with our physical products. Let me show you by using the pen with one of our interactive board books.
Badanamu, hello. Strawberry. Mimi. Button. Mitten. Nightcap.
The Bada Pen works with our storybooks, learning apps and games, and game boards. It's simple to use and so much fun. Next, let's look at the other interactive board book that comes with the Bada Pen Set. These books make learning colors and numbers fun and interactive. The books are sturdy and have thick, easy-to-grip pages for little fingers. Now let's look at the game board pack. The game boards work with our Badanamu learning apps. Some apps are free, and some are available for a small fee on our website, www.badanamu.com. The first game board is First Step. This board is excellent for practicing shapes, colors, and numbers, and corresponds with the First Step game. This game board is called Think and Feel. It helps children distinguish between different feelings for emotional learning. The next board is the Storytime board. You can tap the game board to hear keywords, letter sounds, and more. The Storytime board is a wonderful tool for children to learn and practice phonics. The last board is called Talk and Trace. It has all the lowercase letters of the alphabet on it for lowercase tracing and developing gross motor skills for young learners.
Letters. E.
The Bada Pen is an amazing interactive tool for children. It allows them to practice their colors, shapes, and alphabet. It also interacts with our storybooks for a fun and engaging reading experience. It can be used in a variety of ways, so your child will never get bored or find themselves doing the same thing over and over. I hope you enjoyed